Welcome to Drawing 1. This is our first lesson. We're going to do perspective drawing. Table of contents, we're going to talk about what perspective drawing is, essential vocabulary, 1-point and 2-point perspective rules, some example drawings, and then review. And in the next video, we'll actually go step by step on how you get this done out on paper. So this is just an overview. So, number 1, what is perspective drawing? So, a perspective drawing is a drawing of a place or object from a specific point of view. So, there are different types of perspective, and we'll talk about that next. But really, what it just is drawing from a specific point of view, whether it's below an object, above an object, any point of view that you would like to exaggerate or present. So, there are many types of perspective drawing. There's 1-point, 2-point, and 3-point represented here on the screen. I've seen up to like 5-point perspective. The higher you go, the more complicated the drawing gets, but you can accomplish a lot with just 1-point and 2-point perspective. The points that they are talking about are called the vanishing point, and that's where all the lines converge. So you can have 1 point where all the lines meet, or 2 points going to the left or the right, or as you see on the bottom, 3-point, which is showing left, right, and then also perspective going up and down. I've only ever gotten as high as 3-point, and that one made my brain hurt, so I usually just stick to 1-point and 2-point. So, essential vocabulary. These are the words and phrases that you need to know. Starting with vertical and horizontal basic directions. Vertical is going up and down, horizontal is going side to side. The horizon line, which you see represented here in red, is the line in which, if you're drawing an outdoor scene, it's where the sky meets the earth. So the horizon goes across. When you're doing an indoor scene, you still have a horizon line. Obviously, you're not showing the sky or the earth, but you still need that center line. The vanishing point is the point at which things get so small that they seem to vanish. That's why it's called a vanishing point. So things that are near to you are large, and things that are super far away get small. So if I was going to draw something way back here, say for example, I wanted to turn this into a building, and if there was a person walking way back here, they would be super small. But if there was a person up here, they'd be a little bit bigger. This box is above your eye level, this box is at eye level, and this box is below eye level. If something is above your eye level, you can only see the bottom, the front, and the side. If something is at your eye level, you can see the front and the side. You can't see the top or the bottom. And if something is below your eye level, you can see the top, side, and the front. So, when you are drawing, there are rules to keep you on track. When you are drawing a 1-point perspective, you can only do vertical, horizontal, or to the vanishing point. You can't do anything else. This is going to keep you on track. That line has to be going up and down, side to side, or to the vanishing point. If you see over here, all of these lines were drawn with vertical, horizontal, or to the vanishing point. If you try to do anything else, your drawing will look skewed and a little off. So if something looks off, always go back to the rules and see if it's vertical, horizontal, or to the vanishing point. Same thing applies for 2-point perspective. That's when you have a vanishing point on the left and the right, and then you have your vertical center line. So you can go to the left vanishing point, or you can go to the right vanishing point, or you can go vertical. That's it. These rules will help keep your drawing in check. Here are some examples of types of perspective drawings you can do. You can do indoor scenes like rooms, hallways, metro stations. You can do outdoor scenes with beautiful landscapes in the background. You can do, the 2-point is very good for like corners of streets because you're seeing down both sides of the street. If you don't want to do something realistic, you could do something abstract with just cubes. It could be colored or it can be black and white. And these are all drawing examples from Google. None of this is my work. So review. What's the horizon line? What's the vanishing point? Which direction is vertical? Which direction is horizontal? And what are your only three options when drawing a 1 and 2 point perspective?